Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimo from How to Geek, and in today's guide video I will show you how you can clear and delete your keyboard history on Android in order to remove suggested and predictive words. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. How to delete and clear keyboard history on your Android. Now, on keyboard on your Android phone, whenever you type in a certain text on search bar, your keyboard or your phone is going to gather the data from your searches, and it is actually going to suggest you predictive words whenever you type in a certain letter or whenever you type in a certain word. Let's say you want to delete those data. I will simply show you how you can do that. Make sure to watch this video till the end. Now, this process is different for every Android device. Basically, in my case, I'm using Samsung One UI, so if you're using Redmi MI UI or OnePlus Oxygen OS, your operating system could differ somewhat different than mine. But anyway, you have to go ahead and open the settings app, and inside settings you have to simply look for the keyboard options. In my case, the keyboard option is under general management for Samsung devices, and if you're on some other devices, it could be somewhere else as well. Once you go to general management, you have to look for the option called keyboard settings. So in my case, you can see this option which says keyboard settings. All I will do is simply tap on the keyboard settings button. As I tap on keyboard settings, you want to look for, let's say, any type of options such as delete or erase or anything. In my case, I'll simply scroll down to the bottom and you can see it says reset to default settings. I'll simply tap on reset to default settings, and you'll find the second option which says erase personalized predictions. Now, you don't necessarily need to reset keyboard settings. That is simply going to reset the appearance, or you can do that if you want to delete the keyboard and reset it as a whole, or you can simply tap on erase personalized predictions, and you can see it says erase the personalized data that's used for word prediction. You can simply tap on the erase button and personalized data will be reset, and next time whenever you tap a new word, it is not basically going to show up. Now, let's say that you want to prevent this issue in the future as well. In that case, what you can do is at the very top you'll find this toggle which is predictive text. When we turn on predictive text, it is going to suddenly automatically suggest us new words whenever we type a certain letter or word on our keyboard. So in order to turn that off, you can simply turn this particular toggle off right over here, and you have successfully cleared your data or your keyboard settings on your Android phone. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.